Overgrown bushes can make your garden look unkempt and unruly. When bushes are left to grow without regular maintenance, they can quickly become wild and out of control. This not only affects the aesthetic appeal of your garden, but can also lead to other issues. Regular trimming keeps them in check. By consistently pruning your bushes, you can maintain a neat and orderly appearance. This practice helps to shape the bushes, ensuring they grow in a controlled manner and do not become an eyesore. This allows for more sunlight to reach your plants. When bushes are overgrown, they can block sunlight from reaching other plants in your garden. Trimming them back opens up space and allows light to penetrate, which is essential for the health and growth of all your plants. It also promotes healthy growth. Pruning encourages new growth by removing old, dead, or diseased branches. This process stimulates the plant to produce new shoots and leaves, leading to a healthier and more vibrant garden. Trimming also prevents bushes from encroaching on walkways and structures. Overgrown bushes can obstruct pathways, making it difficult to walk through your garden. They can also grow too close to buildings, potentially causing damage to structures or creating hiding spots for pests. Imagine a pathway being swallowed by an unruly hedge. This not only looks messy, but can also be a safety hazard. Overgrown bushes can trip people or make it hard to see where you're going. This makes it difficult to navigate. Keeping your pathways clear by trimming back bushes ensures that your garden is accessible and safe for everyone. Overgrown bushes can also harbor pests and diseases. When bushes are left unchecked, they can become a breeding ground for insects and other pests. These pests can spread to other plants in your garden, causing widespread damage. Diseases can also take hold in overgrown bushes, spreading to healthy plants and potentially ruining your entire garden. Trimming helps prevent this unwanted situation. By regularly pruning your bushes, you can remove diseased or pest-infested parts before they have a chance to spread. This proactive approach keeps your garden healthy and thriving. By trimming your bushes, you improve their health. Regular maintenance ensures that your bushes remain strong and resilient. Healthy bushes are better able to withstand pests, diseases, and harsh weather conditions. You also enhance the overall appearance of your garden. A well-maintained garden with neatly trimmed bushes looks more attractive and inviting. It can increase the curb appeal of your home and create a pleasant outdoor space for you to enjoy. It's a satisfying feeling to transform an unruly mess into a neat and tidy space. Taking the time to trim your bushes not only benefits your garden, but also provides a sense of accomplishment and pride in your work. So grab those hedge trimmers and start shaping your garden into a beautiful and healthy oasis. Before you begin trimming, gather the necessary tools. You'll need a good pair of hedge trimmers. These can be electric or gas-powered. Hand shears are useful for smaller branches. Safety is paramount when working with sharp tools. Wear safety glasses to protect your eyes. Use gardening gloves to shield your hands from thorns and blisters. Long sleeves and pants are also recommended. Having the right tools and safety gear ensures your trimming project goes smoothly and safely. Always prioritize safety when working in the garden. Before you start trimming, take a close look at your bushes. This initial inspection is crucial for maintaining the overall health and appearance of your garden. By taking the time to carefully examine each bush, you can identify potential problems early and address them effectively. Check for any signs of disease or pests. Insects can cause significant damage to your plants if left unchecked. Look for holes in the leaves, sticky residue, or visible insects. These are all indicators that pests may be present and need to be dealt with promptly. Look for wilting leaves, discolored branches, or unusual growths. These symptoms can be signs of underlying health issues that need to be addressed. Wilting leaves may indicate a lack of water or root problems, while discolored branches could be a sign of nutrient deficiencies or disease. Identify any dead or diseased branches that need to be removed completely. Removing these branches helps to prevent the spread of disease and encourages new healthy growth. Dead branches can also be a safety hazard, as they are more likely to break and fall. Dead branches are brittle and often have a different color compared to healthy ones. They may appear gray or brown and will snap easily when bent. In contrast, healthy branches are flexible and have a vibrant color. Diseased branches may have spots, discoloration, or fungal growth. Fungal diseases can spread quickly, so it's important to remove affected branches as soon as possible. Look for black spots, powdery mildew, or other unusual markings on the branches. Addressing these issues before trimming ensures a healthy and vibrant bush. By taking the time to inspect and treat your bushes, you can promote better growth and prevent future problems. This proactive approach will save you time and effort in the long run. It also prevents the spread of diseases to other parts of the plant or even other plants in your garden. A healthy garden is not only more beautiful but also more resilient to pests and diseases. Regular maintenance and careful inspection are key to achieving this. Once you've assessed your bushes, it's time to prepare the surrounding area. Clear away any obstacles such as garden furniture, toys, or tools. Lay down a tarp or old sheet around the base of the bushes. This will make it easier to collect the trimmings afterwards. Having a clear work area allows you to move around freely and safely while trimming. Remember, preparation is key to a smooth and efficient trimming process. Section 5. Shaping your green friends. Trimming techniques for overgrown bushes. When trimming overgrown bushes, it's essential to have a plan. Start by removing any dead, diseased, or crossing branches from the center of the bush. This opens up the plant and allows for better air circulation. Next, tackle the overgrown outer growth. Use long, sweeping motions with your hedge trimmers. Cut back to a few inches above the desired height. Remember to step back frequently to assess the shape. By following these techniques, you can restore your overgrown bushes to their former glory. Section 6. The art of a natural look. Avoiding the freshly sheared sheep appearance. While a perfectly manicured look can be appealing, it can also look unnatural. For a more organic appearance, vary the length of the cuts slightly. Focus on creating gentle curves and avoid sharp angles. This mimics a more natural growth pattern. Remember, the goal is to enhance the natural beauty of the bush. By embracing imperfections and slight variations, you create a more visually appealing and natural-looking hedge. Section 7. Clean up and carry on. Finishing touches for a tidy garden. Once you've finished trimming, it's time to clean up. Use a rake or leaf blower to gather the trimmings from the tarp or sheet. Dispose of the debris properly, either in your compost bin or yard waste bags. Give the area a final sweep to ensure no stray branches or leaves remain. A clean and tidy garden not only looks better, but also helps prevent pests and diseases. Completing these finishing touches leaves your garden looking neat and inviting. Section 8. Nourishing your trim treasures, post-trimming care. After trimming, it's crucial to give your bushes some extra care. Water them thoroughly to help them recover from the stress of trimming. Applying a layer of mulch around the base of the bushes helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Fertilize your bushes with a balanced fertilizer a few weeks after trimming. This provides them with the nutrients they need to thrive. Proper post-trimming care ensures your bushes remain healthy and vigorous. Section 9. Timing is everything. When to trim your bushes. The best time to trim your bushes depends on the type of bush and your local climate. As a general rule, most deciduous hedges benefit from a trim in late winter or early spring, before new growth begins. Evergreen hedges can typically be trimmed in late spring or early summer. Always consult a gardening guide or a local nursery for specific trimming recommendations for your particular type of bush. Understanding the best time to prune your bushes ensures optimal health and growth. Section 10. Enjoying the fruits of your labor. Relaxing in your beautifully maintained garden. After all your hard work, take a moment to admire your handiwork. The time and effort you've invested in maintaining your garden have truly paid off. Each trimmed bush and manicured hedge stands as a testament to your dedication and care. Your once overgrown bushes are now neatly trimmed and full of life. The transformation is remarkable, turning a wild, untamed space into a serene and orderly retreat. The vibrant greenery and precise lines of your hedges create a sense of harmony and peace. They enhance the beauty of your garden and provide a sense of accomplishment. Each plant, each flower, and each blade of grass contributes to the overall aesthetic, making your garden a true work of art. The satisfaction of seeing your garden flourish is unparalleled. Relax and enjoy your outdoor space, knowing you've given your bushes the care they need to thrive. This is your sanctuary, a place where you can unwind and escape the hustle and bustle of daily life. Whether you're reading a book, Sipping coffee or simply soaking in the beauty around you, your garden offers a perfect retreat. Whether you're sipping your morning coffee or hosting a barbecue with friends, your beautifully maintained garden provides the perfect backdrop for any occasion. It's a versatile space that can be both a quiet haven and a lively gathering spot. The well-kept surroundings make every moment spent here special. Gardening is a rewarding endeavor that brings joy and beauty to our lives. The act of planting, nurturing, and watching your garden grow is fulfilling. Each bloom and each new leaf is a reminder of the cycle of life and the beauty of nature. Your garden is not just a space, it's a living, breathing testament to your hard work and love for nature.